here limit x tends to n tends to infinity, a to power n plus b to power n divided by a to power n minus b to power n. How can solve? Look here. What is the condition? A is greater than b is greater than 1. Look here. If divide by a, then we got like that one. Okay, there are two possibilities. If a divided by in these three, then 1 here b by a, here 1 by a. Okay, now look here, limit n tends to infinity. What is the meaning of that one? Simply 1 is greater than b by a. Okay, or you can say that b by a is less than 1. Okay, and for let b by a is suppose that 0.5 and 0.5 is less than 1. I hope so clear. Or you can say that 1 by 2. Okay, for simplicity point of view we have taken data 1 by 2. B by a is how much? 1 by 2. Now look here, limit n tends to infinity. Now that one make b by a type. So if you want to b by a means a to power a is common, then that one b by a to whole power n divided by a to power n 1 minus b by a to power n. Okay, so a to power n is cancel out, and b by a is how much? 1 by 2. So you can say that 1 by 2 to whole power n divided by how much? 1 minus 1 by 2 to whole power n. Okay, now if put n this equal to infinitive, okay, then 1 upon 2 to power infinitive divided by 1 minus 2 to power infinitive. Okay, so what about that value? We got infinitive, and that value is infinitive. So 1 plus 0 divided by 1 minus 0. So 1 is the right answer. I hope so clear. Make it.